Hey folks, Jason Boss, president of JBMF Inc., and I'm here to unveil and present to you the JBMF-50. This is our newest addition to our equipment line. If you run a high production shop or manufacturing outfit or a busy wheel shop, this is a great addition to your fleet. Featured inside is a 3-phase, 1 horsepower brake motor that controls your 3-jaw chuck here. What it allows you to do is have various speeds. It's all controlled with this foot pedal here. What the foot pedal allows you to do is it allows you to index your part forward, and when it stops, the mechanical brake engages, and what that allows you to do is to perform vigorous, abrasive operation to different parts of the wheel, including weld repairs, curb rash repairs, etc. So you get the idea. So when the brake's on, nothing's moving. Down here we have caster wheels that allow you to move this unit into position so you can have this safely stored away, and when you are doing this type of work you can pull it into your workspace. These drop down ears right here allow you to safely lag to the concrete so that the high speed brushing type operations can be done safely without the machine moving. You have your chuck key here that allows you to secure your work pieces. And what you see right now installed in the 3-jaw chuck is our proprietary extended and adjustable jaws. So these jaws have various positions that you'll see in the front here, and what that allows you to do is to change, depending on your workpiece, what you're securing. So you can secure anything down from 14 and 15-inch size wheels all the way up to 22-inch wheels. And so that can be done rapidly and easily just by swapping the screws out. And with the dowels, you have accurate positioning for a balanced high-speed rotation. Just like that. So furthermore, on the side of the panel here, you have various controls. We have a reference guide right here. This is for people just so that you can look at different speeds and frequencies of the machine for different operations. You have a forward and reverse selector switch. You have a neutral position. What the neutral position allows you to do is hit the foot pedal and you can move your workpiece like this. When it's in the forward or reverse, hitting the foot pedal rotates your part. Flipping the switch spins it the other direction. The importance of that is for doing brushing type operations so that when you're doing the interrupted sanding on the spokes, you can make it look even on both sides. So handy feature right there. This is our reset button, so if you have a fault that happens within the panel here, you can reset through the button. The emergency stop. Here is your speed control. So when you're doing your work, you can control the speed. So low speed would be for doing polishing with the airway buff, and high speed would be for doing face brushing or brushing of barrels. On the back of the machine, we have various, this is our hub pack, and so we have all the popular PCDs, starting from 4x100, going to 5x100, 5x112, 5x114, and 5x120. And so these can be easily swapped into the front by undoing the 3 jaws, putting in the standard small jaws that come with the kit, and securing your hub. And with this, you can spin faces and monoblock wheels securely at high speeds. Now you're all set up to spin faces now. We're doing a brushing operation if you don't want to grab from the long jaws and have the big jaws spinning around while you're doing a high-speed operation here. So we are going to pull the foot pedal forward. What you have now is you have a balanced and true spinning hub that allows you to secure your work pieces. So in this example, what you're seeing here is a previously brushed and ceramic polished wheel that we've already cleared, but this will give you an idea of how the machine operates and what to expect. So what you see here is 830 RPM. So we have rapid rotation, and we're gonna use our sanding pad and we're going to perform our brushing operation. This can be done comfortably with a chair in front, and we're going to do this in a way that allows the rotation to go away from your hand, not into your hand, as to not jam your fingers. When you release the foot pedal, you have rapid braking from the DC braking system and the mechanical brake here. So if anything goes a bit sideways, you can quickly step off the pedal and your workpiece comes to a complete stop in less than 3 seconds. Another popular finish to do with this machine is the full brush here. So a full brush includes the spokes and the front face and sometimes the back face. So the caps can be done with the small jaws reversed, and you can do that type of brushing. You can brush the entire wheel face with the cap installed, obviously, or you can do them separate. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the hub, 5x1 12 hub, and we're going to show you how front brush and some window brushing stuff occurs. So this type of work can be performed while sitting. Sitting is a comfortable way and a safe way to do it. So you can brace your arm, you can move up to your part and sit comfortably like this. This is a 80 grit pad. We're gonna freshen up the front surfaces here, and this is how it goes. We're gonna let the machine get up to its full speed. And now we can easily bounce across the surface and come back. And now what that gives us is a uniform brush finish on the spokes. We still have the windows to do, and the windows are obviously not performed at that high speed. So we're going to slow the speed down to as slow as it goes. And now we're going to perform abrasive operations to the spokes. So the nice thing about this machine is that you can index your work forward. So you can get into a comfortable spot and you can perform your work. You can get to your next spot, perform your work, get to your next spot, perform your work. And as it stops, you can move it and finalize the position with your hand here. Now it's locked, we can perform our work. So we're gonna do some brushing. So folks, that's how you have that. So that's doing a indexing type operation to brush the windows so that we can be in a good position and with repeatability to do consistent type work. All the lines going in the same direction, good arm motion, good working height position. We're gonna finish it off with some brushing. So we're gonna spin this back up to full speed here. And we're just gonna blend any of where we went off. So we're gonna wait till it goes up to full speed. Then we're gonna use our sanding pad and we're gonna easily and carefully hold this like this and pass all the way across. Come back. And there you have it. The machine is also height adjustable. So if you like it to be higher so you can stand while performing this work, you can do that, or you can also lower it depending on the height of your the operator. Now I'm gonna show you guys how the lips and barrels are polished. So we're gonna remove the hub from the front. We're gonna put it at the back where they're all stored here. We're going to zap these small jaws off again. We're gonna replace it with our extended jaws. Now we're in a ready position to accept the monoblock wheels if we want to secure it from these jaws here. As you can see, the jaws, we have 2 grooves there to catch the lip or the barrel side, and we also have this small step if you want to polish lips that are going to be assembled in a sandwich mount type configuration. So that is the entire lip exposed with the hardware versus the face being on top. So now that we have our lip installed, this is a 2-piece wheel. So the lip and the barrel are attached. The customer wants the lip polish. We've already done that, but we're just going to simulate how this looks. When I'm finishing off, usually what I like to do is I like to flip the direction, spray a bit of mineral spirits, and finish it off in the direction of the buff just to give it a bit of a slicker and higher shine value. So we're spinning in the reverse direction now, and we're just gonna kiss the lip. This also allows you to clean your work by allowing it to rotate and do some finishing touch-ups like this. In addition to polishing lips, you can put monoblock wheels in here if you're doing some type of repair stuff. Now we can perform some types of repair on the front. Let's say we got a curb rash, we can buff that out. We can even do the brushing on the front. This is after ceramic polish, so after the tumbler, we can tape sections off and do a high-speed brushing operation on the face. And there you have it, folks, the JBMF-50. 220 single phase, so it plugs into any shop. You don't need any special power provisions, and it's designed to run all day long. We expect the highest quality components, continuous duty motors that are designed to run all day long. So this is a reliable machine that's warranted and built right here in Canada. So if you are interested in getting on our build list, reach out to us today so that we can start a project for you.